Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Safari and going straight to the reading list so you can act without delay. On iPhone or iPad, tap the sidebar or bookmarks button. On Mac, click the sidebar icon and choose the glasses reading list. Once done, find the specific entry you want to remove. This places you exactly where deletion controls appear. Make sure you see the article's title and timestamp so you don't remove the wrong item. This immediate context prevents accidental deletions. You now perform the deletion action using the control that matches your device. On iPhone or iPad, swipe left on the entry and tap Delete. That removes it from synced devices. On Mac, control-click or right-click the item and pick Remove. This clears it immediately. If you have many items, use Edit to select multiple entries and then delete them in one step, which saves time and keeps your reading list tidy across iCloud. You finish by confirming the item is actually removed from your device and from any synced devices. This proves the action completed. If the article reappears, make sure iCloud Safari Sync is enabled, then toggle it off and on to force a refresh. If that still fails, force quit Safari or restart the device to clear transient sync issues. As a final step, wait a minute for iCloud to propagate changes. That delay often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.